Daniel, we can talk about this, right?
Wait.
Ow.
Oh yeah, this is the next video. Oh wait, I said to be continued, and now this is the next video.
Oh, yeah. Well, hey, can I see that tiger eye before you kill me, please?
Oh yeah, sure. It's just the main thing that will This for my tiger eye?
Yeah. Why, was I not supposed to do that? Hey, wait, Daniel, I want to show you a magic trick. You know I can do magic.
Come and get you.
No, you're actually supposed to come get me.
Oh wait. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to get you. Hey.
Hey, wait, can I show you another magic trick?
Yeah, sure.
There's a little red ball down there.
Oh, red ball? Oh.
I'm just kidding. You're supposed to come get me. You might want to come get me right now. Ow! This is too easy. Okay. Ah! Wait. I want to see the pick of destiny again. I won't throw it this time, I promise.
You ate my pick of destiny.
Yeah, I did. Jesus Christ. Wait.
Give me.
Oh, what's this?
Tiger eye. No. Hey, whack.
You whacked me. Now I'm invincible. Because I crushed your tiger eye.
I have this comes from heaven.
No, that magic hobo was actually my dad. It was all a prank.
Now I'm really gonna kill you.
Oh, and by the way, this tiger eye is still here. Again, I'm magical.
Now I'm really gonna kill you.
Why?
Yeet!
Stop!